Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and it's Christmas time, but I'm not just reading through holiday cookbooks. I've finished all of that. I just grabbed Rika's Modern Japanese Home Cooking from my local library. I'm super excited to check it out. I love Japanese food, but I'm kind of not brave enough or talented enough to make it at home yet. But if they keep it simple and modern, I should be able to, do something other than make white rice and call it good. Let's check this out. Simplifying Authentic Recipes. It's from Rizzoli. It's a 2020 cookbook. It's brand new. I don't think anyone's even checked it out of the library. Let's take a look. Contents. Introduction. Getting started. How to cook Japanese food. I need to read that thoroughly. What to cook. Ooh. Chapter 1. Salads, egg, and tofu starters. Now, I'm a lifelong vegetarian. I'm not a vegan, so I eat eggs, and I eat lots of tofu and soybeans. So Japanese food, if I skip the fish and the fish sauce, I do pretty well. Chapter 2, Seafood Main Dishes. Chapter 3, Poultry and Meat Main Dishes. I will look through that for you, but I would not be using that myself. Chapter 4, Rice Dishes and Soups. Chapter 5, Noodles. I love pasta in all its forms. Chapter 6, Desserts and Tea. Oh, I can't wait to get started. Okay. How to cook Japanese food, 5 techniques, 5 colors, 5 tastes, and 5 senses. That's making it simplified for sure. Japanese cooking techniques, cutting vegetables, dressing salads, cutting fish, preparing sashimi, etc., etc., etc. Some step-by-step photos of the lovely author. 3 simple guidelines for planning a Japanese meal. Start by choosing the main dish and work off of that. Pick something that's in season. Decide how much you want to cook. Oh, good idea. I like leftovers though. This is a beautiful cookbook. I like the chapter separators. Chapter 1, Salads, Eggs, and Tofu Starters. Oh, pretty. But is there any food in this? Okay, just pretty. Cold salads. This is a daikon radish and carrot sunomono salad. I'm going to slaughter the pronunciation of some things. Please forgive me and be graceful and gracious, and you don't need to correct me in the comments. I know! Crunchy cucumber sunomono salad. Broccoli salad with gomai dressing. Spinach, carrot, and potato salad. Okay, we get the drift. Ooh, fresh fried vegetables marinated in dashi. Corn with soy sauce. I've never tried it that way. Ooh. Hot spring eggs with dashi sauce. Whoa! Ramen eggs. I need to learn how to make those. They have to be kind of gooey. Japanese sweet omelet. I've tried to make tamago before. It was hilarious. I ate everything I made, but it looked like crap. I would never serve it to someone. Chawan Mushy egg custard. Ooh, I love all these egg dishes. Chilled silken tofu. Look how simple that is. That's what I like about Japanese food. The portions are small, but because they're so beautifully and so artfully arranged, you feel fuller and eat less, so it's good weight maintenance. Teriyaki fish. I must have jumped into the seafood chapter. Fish braised in sweet soy sauce. These do look like things you could simply make on a weeknight meal. Steamed fish with soy sauce. Sauteed fish. Okay, I'm in the pork chapter. Blanched pork with sesame sauce. Ginger pork. Okay. Braised pork belly and celery. Okay, you get the drift. Japanese meatballs with sweet soy sauce. Now see, that's the Japanese portion. An American portion would be the entire plate. Deep fried meat and vegetables. Tempura. Yum. Simmered beef and vegetables. Oops, kind of a small picture there. I want a bigger one. Wagyu steak. You're welcome. I showed it to you even though I was like, blah. Japanese Western style beef stew. Good for autumn and winter. Sukiyaki. Okay, I'm going to get out of this chapter, people. We can't really handle it much longer. Here's the fish. Scattered sushi with vegetables. That's beautiful. Rolled tuna and avocado sushi. We've all made sushi at home, right? Yeah. When I make sushi, it doesn't involve fish. It's vegetables. I do like avocado maki and kappa maki. Cucumber. Egg wrapped sushi. Beef rice bowl. Now, if you had been working and you ate meat and you came home to a hot bowl of beef and rice like that, you would love it, I bet. Ketchup fried rice with omelet. Rice balls. I make those. And they're easy to pack up for lunch. Browned rice balls. Okay, dashi. Clear soup. Here's all the broths and bases that you need. Now we're in the noodle chapter. I'm getting super happy. Soy sauce ramen. Hot dashi soup udon with ginger. Stir-fried udon noodles. Yep, you get the drift. Nice. Cold somen noodles. Yum, especially in summer. Wasabi soy sauce pasta. Nice. And Uncle Spring rolls. And the desserts and tea is very, very short chapter. Mostly matcha ice cream. Wow, that was awesome. I probably am going to buy my own copy of this because the library needs this back. Thanks for watching. You can see more cookbook look-throughs at cookbookdivas.com, our website, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on Pinterest.